Very good morning, Ananya.
Good morning, sir.
This is your interview with respect to the completion of your internship. So I'm testing you whether you have successfully completed, whether are you really entitled to get this internship certificate. That is the test. So could you please introduce yourself, which college you are coming from and which year you are pursuing?
I'm Ananya and I'm coming from Lloyd Law College and I'm from second year, 3 years LLB.
Right. So now let me move on to the next question. Before joining internship, what did you think? This is what I am going to learn from an AOR in Supreme Court. That might be your dream. Whether that dream got fulfilled in your internship. These are the two questions. What was the dream earlier? Whether those dreams are fulfilled in this internship. Please do answer these two questions.
So I never went to court. First of all, I want to say this. So I was so excited that I will come to Honorable Supreme Court. I will work under you. So before this, I was not knowing anything practically the law, what is in actual, how proceedings, court proceedings and hearings are going to be. I saw many things. I got to know many things. I was not knowing about the drafting, legal issues, and how to read the case, communication skill. I improved in that. So many things I got to know from your internship. You also taught us everything in detail. You gave us time. You always gave remark after giving certain works. You always check that work. So this improves my work, my everything.
Could you please share any one case where you have drafted? You need not mention the name of the case. So this is what about the maybe a matrimonial case or a transfer petition. And then what was the research work that you have done in any one case? So drafting, research work, those two cases you can, without naming the case, you can share your experience.
I remember I drafted a transfer petition. That was a case going on in family court from Shamli to Delhi. The grounds for drafting, the format is synopsis first, and then we have to write date and events, then case brief, then grounds and the prayer. So that was, and the second one is in research. So I've done many research, but one best I think that was in section 52 clause A NDPS Act. It was regarding the disposal of the procedure of disposal of drugs and all. So I did research in that. It was also related to one important line of case.
Okay. So good to know everything. Just give me a second. Good to know. So you could tell us, why do we recite the preamble every day in the morning? What is the reason behind it?
So I think just to give respect what our forefathers wanted from us. In preamble is basically a introduction and the summary of the constitution, and whatever it has written in the preamble is, let's say, likewise socialist, sovereign. So it's important to recite every time so that we can also recall that why we are here. We have to serve our country. We have to do according to the preamble, according to what our forefather wanted us to do, to give to this country.
So what are the qualities? This is the final question. So what are the qualities that you would like to imbibe from our office? So this would be a final question for you.
Sir, quality to sir, I am overwhelmed doing internship under you. I was knowing, literally I was not knowing anything practically. I was not knowing because I'm going to be in second year, 3 year LLB. So I got to know many things. I was overwhelmed.
Thank you so much, Ananya. Now let me share my experience with Ananya. You are really such a talented girl, and I have seen your worksheets and the court proceedings. Everybody used to write whatever they have observed in the court proceedings, but you have taken an extra mileage. You have done so well. What you used to do is you used to do the rough work, whatever you have observed. Thereafter, you used to take the fair copy, and you used to use at least a blue pen, red pen, black pen to highlight what are the important points. So extra effort that you took, therefore you are tagged today as an extraordinary student. So one who does extra work is an extraordinary student. You have really exhibited your extraordinary talents, and you are really a hardworking student. Your hard work will definitely pay you well in future. I am really very confident that you are an asset to this legal profession. In future, if you want to continue with this litigation or whatever manner, whether you want to become a judicial officer, so whatever dream may be, but our office will definitely guide you in all aspects whenever you seek our guidance. So God bless you, and thank you so much, Ananya.